Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Dary back again here for another video for you. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. If you're not, then thank you for being here for another video with me. So for today's look, I'm gonna show you how I cover my blemishes that I have underneath my skin. Right now you can't tell that I have any, but I'm gonna show you what I do. Do you want to see how I create this look? Then keep on watching. But before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, ring the little bell button down below so you know where I'm coming for another otherwise let's get on to it. So before we start, I just want to let you know that I already have my eyebrows done, and if you want to know how to do your eyebrows, I will link the video down below in my description box on how to do that. But for the sake of this video, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna prime our faces. So what I'm gonna be using here is the Tarte Clean Slate Timeless Primer. I'm gonna apply that on the apples of my cheeks. To cover up all those pores that I have right down here between my mouth. The next primer that I'm going to use is the Hangover Too Faced, which is this guy here. It's one pump. Before you go in and conceal everything, you want to make sure you have a nice prime in your face. And then I'm just going to pat it on. I'm going to go in with my Shape Tape concealer, and this is the color Tan. And I'm gonna apply that in the areas that I want to conceal. You can do color correcting, but I feel like this is the easiest way that I've found to do this. Now with my beauty blender, I'm gonna go in and you just want to tap in those areas. You just don't want to move the product a lot around your face, just in tapping motion, and make sure that your beauty blender or the sponge that you're using is actually damped. I know I'm looking crazy right now, but what we want to do next is to conceal the section here, this under eye. I'm gonna use the Becca Under Eye Brighten Corrector, which is this guy here. This is how it looks. This is the back, and then when you open it, it looks something like this. And a little bit of this product really goes a long way. You don't want to overdo it. I usually don't wear a lot of makeup or don't use like full coverage. I usually don't do full coverage makeup, but you know, it was that time of the month and I've been breaking out like crazy. Like, I'm like, I need to just hide everything, hide my soul, hide from guys, hide from everyone. Can't be letting people see my natural, the way that I look naturally. So if you want to say, oh, you're catfishing, oh well, whatever. I look like a ghost. But now that that's done, what I've been doing so far lately is the type of foundation that I'm using, which I'm going to mix it in my little plate here, is the Estee Lauder Double Wear, and I'm in the Toasty Toffee color, which is this guy here. And I am going to mix that with a couple of drops of my Cover FX Custom Cover Drops. And that's the G80, which is my color. And this is the guy on my plate. A little bit, just a little bit. Alright. And with my Cover custom drop from Cover FX. You want to make sure if you have this that you're shaking it. And pretty much what this is just a pigment. This is just color. It doesn't have anything. So if you want to darken up any foundation that you have, especially like now in the summer, you're going to be one shade darker than where you are during the winter time. I usually recommend this because that way you don't have to buy two different foundations. You can just have one and have this guy, and you can even put this on your moisturizer too if you want to have like a tinted moisturizer. So for that guy, I'm just gonna put a few drops if I can get. I've used this so much. Oh, that was a big squirt. Spatula here that I have looks like this. I'm gonna mix all of that stuff. And just note that this Estee Lauder foundation is full coverage. Well, it's buildable. It's medium to full coverage, and it dries out matte. So I am wearing I'm doing a makeup for you all today because I am going to an event tonight. And it's really early in the morning and I need to make sure my face stays on fleek the whole entirety of the evening. So I'm just gonna put that on my face everywhere. And with the back of my beauty blender or my sponge, I'm gonna fix it with some Fix Plus. And as you know, my skin is dry, so you know. So I put a moisturizing primer underneath. And since I already have kind of like concealer to conceal some of my pimple areas, what you want to do with your foundation, you just want to bounce it around, tabbing motion. Because otherwise, if you scrape it off, what you're doing is you're just moving the layers of products that you already put on, and you don't want to do that. Make sure you grab your neck. Oh, I got some in my eyebrows. No! No! We'll fix it. Everything's fixable. Make sure you get into the hairlines of yours. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna use my concealer, and for my concealer I'm using back my Shape Tape, but this guy here is Tan, which is the color above the other tan color that I have here. Just gonna go in and just highlight those areas that I want to highlight. With the other side of your beauty blender, the clean side, and you just want to bounce that around. If you want more highlighted, more coverage, you can leave your concealer to sit there for a little bit while longer, not more than a minute, and then go in with the beauty blender or a brush if you use a brush too. So what I usually do, I bring it down and then across. Alright, so I'm back. I put my eyelashes on and all these other stuff. I finished my eye look. I'm kind of not that happy with my eye look because the glitter just went everywhere with that shimmer eyeshadow. But anyways, let's go back to the face. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to apply some blush. And the blush that I'll be using is Take Me Home. It's a Power Duo blush from PatrickStarr. I used this blush on the other previous video that I was reviewing his product. So if you want to know more about this PatrickStarr new collaboration with MAC, the link is down below. And also if you need help on how to apply your eyelashes, I will be linking those videos down below for your information. I'm just gonna go in, and you usually just want to apply blushes in the apples of your cheeks. Prime Max Sky. This is the coconut one. You just want to apply that all over your face. Let all that sink milk in. For my lips, I am gonna go in with the collaboration that Sia did. This guy right here. I love how the package looks. My hands are a little bit dusty. And this is the color here. I'm just gonna, before I go in and put the color on, I am gonna use a lip liner, and I'm using He Said, She Said from MAC. This guy here. I'm just gonna line my lips. So this is the final look, guys, for you. Full face, covering all my blemishes, a little bit of red lips. I usually don't do a lot of red lips. I like to keep my lips neutral, but I figure I'll do something different for you guys. So if you like this look with my curls out, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below if you want more information about how to create a natural look or the power of makeup look. I have a lot of ideas to bring up, but if you have a special idea that you would like me to try, you can definitely insert it down below. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. This is the look, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.